Rjukan is not only famous for the industrial development that built this city, but also for one of the most important and successful sabotage operations during World War II.
So we are now at the actual place of the bomb that went off from the heavy water sabotage mission that was accomplished by a group of young men from Rjukan to prevent the Germans from making the atom bomb.
Oh, it went off.
Yes.
And it was a very successful operation.
It was very successful. Not a single shot was fired and no lives were lost. Not even the operational guy who lost his glasses. They took the time to find them so he could get safely out
he
as
helped
well.
them out because he was a Norwegian working here.
Yeah.
And they got away, and it was a big success for the Allied forces in the Second World War.
Yes, it was very significant.
But more peacefully is the energy revolution that came with the taming of waterfalls into pure hydropower.
Hydro is the reason that Rjukan was built into a small city. It was nothing here before they started what was the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. It all began with Sam Eide and Christian Birkeland, who had this idea that they could solve the global hunger problem in the beginning of the 1900s by extracting nitrogen from the air and making salpeted acid that could be fertilizer. But this was all a theoretical concept and they needed a lot of energy. So they picked this spot because they could get the energy from the waterfall.
This was really an innovative project by these two gentlemen, Eide and Birkeland. What can we compare it to in our days to fully understand it?
They actually raised 1.5 nation budget size of capital. So I think if we're going to compare it, a similar thing today would be like in Elon Musk territory in terms of having grand visions and ambitions.